Easter! Easter! We get the Easter in Grow a Garden update. Easter event. This weekend. Easter Bunny needs all your help. A limited shop awaits you and you must do what it requires to unlock it. Wait, guys. We are going to plant egg. We're going to plant egg and there's gonna be an Easter Bunny Easter hunt. Right now, I also have a bunch of giant tomatoes, so this is also how you get giant tomatoes. You have to leave the game and then you have to rejoin the game and you have giant tomatoes. And right now I'm trying to collect them all. It's taking a while, okay? It's taking a while because I put everything into one bush. As you guys can see, there's everything in one bush. So if you want golden rainbow trees, you can get them by having these super seeds, and we are giving away a super seed today. There is packs of 3 super seed packs and you can actually get it right now. Like the video and subscribe and comment down below apple, comment down below apple, so you can actually get yourself this super seed. I'll be choosing 3 winners today, so you can actually get yourself a cool super seed for a rainbow or golden tree, just like this guy. This guy also has the trees. We got the 1 dragon's fruits and we got coconuts. Let me sell all these coconuts because I don't want to keep them, okay? They're filling up my tree. I have to collect them all, bam bam bam. And we got a big apple tree. So the big fruits do not grow on big trees, okay? You can have the smallest tree possible on your plot and you can grow the biggest fruits out of the smallest tree ever. So the giant trees are an inconvenience. I would not like to have a giant tree. I will probably cut it down, but I can't do that because the Lorax will literally hunt me in my dreams and I cannot do that. But pretty much you do not want the giant trees. The giant trees are very annoying because they're taking up a lot of space and they're growing regular apples. As you guys can see, there's like regular apples growing on this giant tree. Anyways, I'm gonna be literally going over and getting some insane banana seeds, guys. Banana seeds are getting into the update. If you want a banana seed, there is a little glitch and the Easter Bunny will help us get the banana seeds, okay? Anyways, like the video, subscribe, and this is the new Easter update in Grow a Garden. What a great game.